It's not exactly Friday night lights yet, but many area schools are right in the thick of spring training.
Roughly 23,000 children or young people play football in Alabama high schools, 94,000 when you total up all the sports. ABC 3340's Cynthia Gould joins us live from Pell City, where they're playing a spring game. And Cynthia, safety is always on everyone's mind.
That is right, Brenda. And whenever we talk about sports injuries, football is the first thing to come to mind, but that is changing. Whether it's this intense heat we're seeing tonight or ACL tears, the health of all these young athletes is the #1 priority.
We want to focus on a lot of core stabilization. Whether it's
An ACL injury sidelined PJ Grooms in basketball. Intense physical therapy at Champion Sports Medicine is getting him back game ready.
the core and the back play a major role in providing your stability.
It's about prevention. Experts say a lot of kids and those supervising them don't have the proper training.
No, we're not stressing heavy weights, we're stressing proper form.
The risk factors have really escalated in the last 15 to 10 years.
ER visits among athletes top 5 million at a cost of $1 billion a year. It's estimated 60% of those injuries are preventable.
I think coaches today are so programmed to performance, which is, just natural.
Former JSU football coach Jack Crow is now a sports safety consultant.
Football gets a lot of exposure, the NFL, the concussion case, but the exposures are younger and the exposures are more female.
Soccer, cheerleading, basketball, you name it. Injuries among females are a major concern, as are a rash of back problems.
I've operated on more 15 to 21-year-old patients, and the vast majority of the time these injuries are not coming from on the field, they're coming from the weight room.
Traditional squats, power cleans, deadlifts, all a major cause.
There are ways to modify these with the appropriate trainer. They have to understand that they're playing with their careers here.
Another big problem, those high-intensity exercise programs putting too much stress on the back. Above all, parents need to be sure their children are supervised while weightlifting by someone who is trained.
Not how much you can lift or how many reps you can do, it's how can you make this child the best athlete they can be.
And never be afraid to ask questions.
If they're coming home and you don't like the way they look, go find out why.
Very good advice, and remember, their mental health is just as important. We've got to keep these sports fun. Parents, listen up to that. And we've got a great crowd, as you can see, back here tonight. Pell City playing Homewood. Fall football will be here before you know it. Live in Pell City, Cynthia Gould, ABC 3340.